Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 31st tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned Z-index. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS Align. So let's get started. As you can see, I have this document created right here. Okay? You can align different types of elements using CSS Align. First, let's look at text alignment. Alright, here is my H2, the div, and then inside the div I have a paragraph, right? So what I will do now, I will align my H2 and the paragraph. To do that, I will say text align, let me say right. Okay, let me save it, refresh, and see what will happen. You can see now the H2 has been aligned right. The same to paragraph as well, but the alignment is within the div itself. Okay, the text is being aligned within the parent. The paragraph is inside this div. Okay, you can as well say center instead of right. Let me say center, save it, refresh. You can see our H2 is centered. Even our paragraph is centered, but within the parent element. Alright, again you can say left, save it, refresh. You can see the H2 and the H1 are aligned left. Right, and the last value for text align is justify. When you say justify, each text is stretched and has equal width. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me add more of this. Save it. Now our paragraph will be stretched. Let me decrease the width so that you see the effect. Save it, refresh. Let me increase the height 200 as well. Save it. You can see now on the left side here the width is equal. Even on the right side the width is equal. That is because we said justify. Alright, to see the difference, let me say left, save it, refresh. You see when the text is aligned left, the width is equal on the left, but on the right side the width is not equal. Okay, that is about text align. The second thing that I'm going to teach you is to center a block element like this div right here. Alright, so to center this div, what you can do is set the margin to auto. Alright, let me save it, refresh. You can see now our div has been centered, and that is because we specified the margin to be auto. You can see when I increased the width, the margin on the left and the margin on the right are equal, right? Okay, and that is because the margin that is available is divided equally. Okay, that is how you can align a block element. such as div. What if you want to align an image? For example, you may want to center your image. So to demonstrate it, let me comment out this one. You learned about CSS comment. Now let me add my image, img, and the source is images, and then the name of the image is cartoon.png I mean, and then alt. This one is not necessary now. Okay, let me close my image tag, refresh. You can see now we have an image right here. Okay, now to center this image, what I will do, first of all, let me target my img tag. I will give it a display of block, and then I will set the margin left and margin right to auto. Let me save it, refresh. You can see now our image is at the center. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS float and clear. So I will see you there.